celebration of Jollibee together with a smart team. Palakpakan po natin si Jollibee once again! Bago tayo magandang lahat. Okay, so pakinggan muna natin ang take 4 minutes. Pinabaan na. Okay, bago tayo of course magsimula ng iba, pakinggan natin ang thank you message ni Mommy and of course ni Daddy. Let's all hear the thank you message of Mommy and Daddy for everyone. Sa lahat ng dumalo.
Sana sinabi mo naghanda ako ng maraming message, di ba? sorry. Yan, everybody, thank you for coming. Kahit ang lalayo ninyo, I'm not gonna speak English na, Daddy, ha? Adjust na. Because I know, ano ba yan? English na. I just speak English. And kahit alam mo ang lalayo ninyo, someone like from Cavite, someone from Batangas, Manila, Hong Kong, Sisyal, diba? And may angke, kaso wala na siya dito, umalis na, and it's from Quezon. Yeah, may mga buhol, Bisaya, good. May taga, pala, nakalayo, you made time for Chloe. Thank you so much. It's not easy, even how bad the traffic. And making effort like na nag-isip kayo ng regalo for Chloe. Kasi, I'm so happy for what you take and you give time for Chloe. Thank you so much, guys.
Malayo ba ang palaro? Mga dyan na yung palaro. Just kidding. Alright, thank you so much, of course. Mami, Daddy, bago naman yung maraming salamat. Thank you so much for choosing us. Hindi ko ako sila pakasaya. Very sorry. Of course, ikaw, you're a jealous.
Ay, lolo!
Sa lahat po na mag-ingat po kayo. Sa lahat na mag-ingat. Ayan, safely. At sa lahat po, of course, may mga kasama ni Chloe. Bata man o matanda, may ngipin man o wala. Always keep spelling well together with a smart team at Jollibee. At kami ang nakasama ninyo in one time. And